guys, and welcome to another episode of Britannia Cheese Star Chef. आज शिप्रा और मैं बनाने जा रहे हैं something special.
Hi everyone, hi Seth. So we are making the grilled cheese roll-ups. So let's get the ingredient checklist. So Seth, there's this bread in front of you.
Okay.
Just take the slice of bread.
All right, here we go.
And we are going to flatten it with this rolling pin. You need to be really light and it's going to look like this. Flatten. So, Seth, there's this Britannia cheese slice.
This one.
So we take out one.
My son lives on this stuff.
Amazing. Britannia sliced cheese is so creamy and so delicious that it gives a divine cheesy taste. So now we put this cheese on the slice of bread.
Here we go.
So here are these Britannia cheese cubes right in front of you.
Yes, okay, these. I already have them in my bowl.
Perfect. So we've cut them into pieces. We put it in the center of the bread.
How many pieces?
2 pieces will fit in. See, like that.
Like this.
Yes. Now we take one end of the bread.
Yes.
And we roll it over.
Okay.
And because of the cheese, it's going to stick.
Ah!
And just press it lightly.
Yes.
See? Here we are. So now there's a pan. Now I'm going to brush it with a little bit of butter. And then just brush your pan with it evenly.
Oh, it's sizzling.
So does Temur like butter as well?
Oh, yeah. Well, he likes bread and butter. He loves cheese. All these kind of things, you know.
Awesome. So he's going to love this recipe. So now you take this cheese roll up and now we put it on the pan. Just take the butter again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brush it once from all sides. Yeah, and turn. So it's going to grill on its own and it's going to become golden in color.
Sounds delicious.
So we need to basically toast it on all sides. Okay, see, it's turning golden. Mine is turning golden. So Seth, tell me, how much do you like cheese?
Yeah, well, I love cheese. I think it's such a, but the thing is, I really enjoy cooking very much. And especially since, we've been in lockdown, every evening I've been cooking something interesting. And I think
Oh, wow.
it's a really good time to kind of discover something new.
It has to be tempting, right?
That's the thing. I think presentation is also really important, right?
It is so important. I completely agree. So here, mine are done. Ta-da! Mine is ready. Whilst you're cooking, Seth, let me ask you a few questions. What is your go-to favorite food?
Basically, it's kind of like dal chawal. And I like a nice dinner. Something to look forward to. So something a little heavier. Various things. Maybe it could be a pasta. It could be, like a sheikh kebab. Could be a biryani once a week. So various things. And I can now, after 3 months in lockdown, I can cook them all. So I've really learned how to cook a lot. And I really enjoy it.
Wow. So you are a big foodie, yeah? Would you grade yourself as one?
Well, I mean, I don't know if I'm a foodie. I think maybe my wife is more of a foodie. Some of the Kapoors. I don't go crazy about food, but I like a good meal. But because she's such a serious kind of professional, she's managed to control that, and she's also knows a lot about diet food and healthy food. So we've got this teamwork thing going where she finds the recipe and I cook it. And
nice.
she gets the ingredients ready for me and we share the work like that. Okay, I think this is almost done.
If it's golden, it's done.
Yeah, and it smells great.
Smells great, and if you want, you can take a bite because it tastes great too.
Oh wow. It's so crunchy on the outside and kind of creamy, cheesy and melty on the inside. Well, that was easy to make, and how? And the viewers can try this recipe at home and share with their food shots, tagging us on Facebook and Instagram at Britannia Cheese. It's time for you to know the winner of Britannia Cheese Star Chef. Stay tuned. Goodbye till next week. Till then, Keep cooking with the best.